With the improvement of people's living standards and the increasing demand for leisure and entertainment, water parks have become a preferred choice for more and more families. Particularly in summer, there is a noticeable upward trend in the number of visitors to water parks. As the market evolves, modern visitors emphasize experiences and services more than ever before. They seek entertainment offerings that are not just about swimming and water play, but also include richer and more thrilling activities. Therefore, besides basic infrastructure, introducing innovative and enjoyable entertainment projects is essential to meet consumer demands. The development of water parks requires establishing unique park brands through differentiated competition to attract more visitors. Additionally, collaborating with surrounding scenic spots, hotels, and other tourism-related businesses can enhance competitiveness by forming a tourism industry chain. As the tourism industry rebounds and upgrades, water parks, as part of cultural tourism projects, will benefit from industry growth. Thus, the investment prospects for water parks in 2024 remain highly promising. To learn more, please contact us.